Amazon is a units game. Simple as that. If you ain't doing private label, yeah. If you ain't doing private label, bro, really, realistically, bro, your profit margin is gonna be low compared to uh private label. I'm only saying that because with private label, you're creating your own products, so you get to set your own prices. When it comes to OA, retail arbitrage, when I say OA, I mean online arbitrage, or even wholesale, you're pretty much buying a product that everybody knows about for a lower price. That's your bread and butter right there. You feel me? And all you need to do is find a product that's in demand, and you're gonna make sales on it. But every single product has its own marketplace. So, for instance, like the reselling game, when it comes to shoes, each shoe has a marketplace. They have a value for each shoe. You feel me? Certain shoes can't really sell for a certain price. Like, for instance, like AIs, the Allen Iverson questions, bro. I mean, shit. On average, you really can't sell those shoes for like you can't really sell them for like $5,000, bro. You can't. On average, you can't because they're not valued like that, bro. Unless it's AI wearing them his damn self. You feel me? Or Kobe or Jordan. You feel me? Like or signature on them. But besides that, I'm talking about like an actual shoe that he drops. There's no way you're selling it for like 5 bands. Now, Travis Scott shoes, different story. They'll sell for 15,000, 20,000, bro. You feel me? Like but someone could freaking sell their car right now, bro, for like 30 bands and buy a shoe for 30 bands. You feel me? That's Travis Scott sneakers. But but yeah, bro. Same thing when it comes to products on Amazon. Each product has its own marketplace. You feel me? So you really can't sell it for. It's like at certain times you can't really sell a product for like so high. Like you can't sell it for 5 times than what it's selling for already, just because the market value already for it. Like dog food, maybe like a 3 ounce can of dog food, bro. There's no way you're selling that for $80 on Amazon, bro. Let's be realistic. You feel me? Even if it's like a can of like six, you're not really selling that for freaking $86, bro. $100, isn't it? You know what I'm saying? Unless it's your product that you made, got it manufactured and made in the laboratory, all that BS. Okay, that's fair for you. But when you're buying it for a low price from somewhere else that product was made from a company and they have their own value on it, their price setup is different, bro. You're not gonna, what I'm saying? Like you feel me? Like you're not gonna be able to sell it for $100 when retail is selling for maybe $40, bro. I'm just saying. So for you to make 10K a month on Amazon, you have to go based on numbers. All right. After you find your product, after you know, okay, this product right here, the sales rank is good, you can make good profit on it, all that. It comes down to units. If you're making $10 profit on each product, do the math, bro. Then you're gonna find out how many units you need to actually make that money. So multiply the units that you need to make 10K, and that's how many you need to buy. Simple as that. Whether it's whether it's in between different products, maybe you're buying 12 different products. You're making a different amount of profit on each one, but you need a certain amount to hit 10K. You just spread it out a certain way throughout the units. All right, simple as that. Um, you can think of each listing that you have on your Amazon Seller Central account as cash flow. Okay, if you're selling an outdoor chair, I'm trying to think of a brand. I don't know. I'm trying to think of a brand top of my head, but I don't know right now. But let's just say you're selling an outdoor chair, the one that fold up. Okay, that's one product right there. All right, and then you add up another one. Let's say Fisher Price, a bike for little kids. Second, you feel me? A Wilson basketball. That's a third product right there. You got three products right there, bro. You can figure out how to make 10K off of three products. And with that being said, those three different products can be three different cash flow for you. If one product stops selling, you have two different products that are bringing cash flow. Drop another one, you have one source left for cash flow. Simple as that. That's it. So that's how you make 10K on Amazon.